Who are you? I am a student. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Arjun. Who teaches you English? My teacher teaches me English. Who is knocking at the door? It's my neighbor. Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Vijay. Who made this mistake? I made this mistake. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who can help me? I can help you. Who is calling you now? My mother is calling me. Who runs faster, you or your brother? My brother runs faster. What is your name? My name is Kavin. What do you want? I want a cup of tea. What are you doing? I am reading a book. What happened yesterday? It rained heavily. What do you like to eat? I like biryani. What is in your hand? A pen is in my hand. What makes you happy? Good music makes me happy. What time is it now? It is 9 o'clock. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is science. What color do you like? I like blue. When is your birthday? My birthday is on June 5th. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. When will you come back? I will come back tomorrow. When did you go to Chennai? I went last week. When is the meeting? The meeting is at 10 a.m. When will the train arrive? It will arrive in 10 minutes. When did you start learning English? 2 years ago. When does the shop open? The shop opens at 9 a.m. When do you usually eat lunch? I usually eat at 1 p.m. When is the festival? The festival is next month. Where do you live? I live in Madurai. Where is your school? My school is near the park. Where are you going now? I am going to the market. Where is your father? He is at work. Where did you put my phone? On the table. Where is the bus stop? It is near the temple. Where will you go tomorrow? I will go to Coimbatore. Where is your hometown? My hometown is Salem. Where can I buy fruits? You can buy them at the shop. Where are your shoes? They are under the chair. Why are you late? Because there was traffic. Why are you crying? Because I lost my toy. Why is he absent today? He is sick. Why are you happy? Because I passed the exam. Why do you like cricket? Because it is exciting. Why are you running? Because I am late for school. Why should I help you? Because we are friends. Why is the road closed? Because of an accident. Why are you laughing? Because the joke is funny. Why are you studying English? To improve my career.